Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment and getting live audio flowing. Install Python 3. 10 or later, create a virtualenv and pip install key libraries like SpeechRecognition and PyAudio. Once done, configure your microphone and speaker and verify they work with a short recording test so you avoid audio troubleshooting later. Next, pick an NLP backend, local transformers for privacy or an API for accuracy, and install the matching client. Make sure you secure API keys and environment variables before coding. Now you build the core loop that connects audio, language, and audio again. Capture the audio stream in short frames, send chunks to your speech-to-text module, and receive clean transcripts. Then route that text into an intent classifier or transformer model to decide action. For actionable tasks, call local functions or external APIs. Once you have a response string, pass it to a TTS engine like PITX3 or an API to synthesize audio, cue playback, and manage interruptions so conversations feel responsive. Finish by hardening the assistant for real use. Add concurrency for simultaneous audio and model calls, robust error handling, and a small state machine to track multi-turn context. Containerize with Docker or create a systemd service for local deployment. For scale, move model inference to a GPU-enabled cloud instance. Once deployed, monitor logs, latency, and memory. If things go wrong, check the recorded audio, transcripts, and model outputs first to pinpoint whether the problem is in capture, recognition, or response generation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.